Before we dive into the extraordinary world of bees, the silent heroes of our planet, I encourage you to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are interested in nature, animals and natural wonders. Quiet, hardworking, winged. Bees are creatures that seem inconspicuous at first glance, yet the lives of thousands of plant species and humans depend on their existence. Without them, the world as we know it would cease to exist. It's not just honey producers. They are the architects of ecosystems, pollinators and symbols of harmony in nature. There are over 20,000 species of bees in the world. The most famous, the honeybee, is just one of many. Not all bees produce honey. Many of them are solitary bees. They work without a hive, queen or swarm. They occur almost everywhere, in forests, meadows, and even in cities. Their body structure, from special pollen-collecting hairs to compound eyes and wings that move at dizzying speeds, is a work of evolutionary precision. A hive is a collective organism. At its center is the queen, whose sole task is to lay eggs. She is surrounded by worker bees, females incapable of reproduction, but responsible for everything: cleaning cells, feeding larvae, building comb, collecting nectar and pollen, and even defending the hive. Drones, males, have a short lifespan and have one task: to fertilize the queen. After fulfilling this role, they die. Everything in the hive happens with extreme precision. Bees communicate using dance, special movements on the honeycomb that indicate the direction and distance of a food source. One bee can visit up to 5,000 flowers a day. By collecting nectar and pollen, it unconsciously transfers it between plants, enabling them to reproduce. Pollination produces fruits, vegetables, seeds and plants that other animals eat. Bees pollinate over 70% of the crops that end up on our tables. Without them, agriculture would be impossible, and many plant species would become extinct. Bees produce more than just honey. Their work also provides us with beeswax, propolis, royal jelly and pollen. Honey is a natural preservative and source of energy. Propolis has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Wax is used in cosmetics, candles and medicine. Each of these products is the result of thousands of hours of work by the entire swarm. In recent decades, the number of bees has declined dramatically. Pesticides, monocultures, climate change, diseases and parasites, all of these threaten their survival. One of the most dangerous factors is the Varroa destructor mite, which weakens bees and transmits viruses. Protecting bees is our shared responsibility. We can help them by planting melliferous plants, avoiding pesticides, and supporting local beekeepers. Hotels for wild pollinators and urban apiaries are being built in cities. Small actions can have a big impact. Bees are not just insects. It is a symbol of cooperation, harmony, and the fragility of ecosystems. Their fate is inextricably linked to ours. Without bees, there would be no life as we know it. If you want to protect nature, start with the smallest heroes.